Hi guys! Today we'll be talking about the difference between as and like. Let's go! So first of all, as and like can act both as prepositions and as conjunctions, and when followed by a noun their meaning is slightly different. As followed by a noun means in the role of, whereas like followed by a noun means similar to or in the same way as. To better explain what we just said, we have here two examples. So the first one is, as your father, I'll help you as much as I can. In which case we can tell from the as that the speaker is the listener's father. Whereas the second example is, like your father, I'll help you as much as I can. In this case, the like tells us that the speaker is not the father of the listener, but still wishes to act in a similar way to him. But when do we use which? Like can be used for comparison to compare two things, as in, like the other students, he finds it a bit difficult to get to lectures early in the morning. So here the like is used to compare a student with the other students. And you couldn't say as the other students because that would imply that he, the student, is the other students, which wouldn't make any sense. We can also use like to compare appearance and behavior. For instance, the house looks like a castle, so it resembles a castle. In this case as well, using as wouldn't make any sense. On the other hand, as is mostly used when talking about someone's job. For example, he worked for a long time as a teacher in Africa, so we can use it to point out somebody's profession. Lastly, here we take a look at as and like when used as conjunctions to compare. In this case, they have the same meaning. The only difference is that like is a little more informal than as. For instance, we could say both, nobody understands him as I do, and nobody understands him like I do. Okay, that was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.